So I'm driving down the road in Torrance. Look what they have. This catches the rainwater and then you can use it later. And it's on all of these, they're condos actually. Here's one for sale if you want to buy it. Let's just took a shortcut. I just took a shortcut. Is that? Yeah, you can see it. If you want to buy it, there it is. Of course, a Chinese, well, whatever. Could be a Japanese that owns it. I don't know. But anyway, you could buy it. See, these are just condos, and they have these cool rain catchments. Look at this. It's a rain catchment. It goes up to the stop, and it catches the rain. That is so cool. And it's got the overflow right there. I have never seen something so cool. And I didn't know this was a dead end. Doggone it. It is. It's a dead end. I thought I was going to go out on my main street. But anyway, oh, actually, it's not a dead end. It comes around. Follow me on my drive. Oh, it is a dead end. Oh, no, it's not. Dagnabbit's keeping me guessing. Look at people. Whee! This is a neighborhood in Torrance that is a little bit not so shady. It's just, I would say, for the lower class. Everybody's got to live. It is what it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, bye.